Are you curious to learn what SAFE is? Are you curious to learn how to scale from one agile team to many other agile teams while working together, manage dependencies, plan the work all together? Join me. In this SAFE Foundations program, I will explain what SAFE really is. I will explain the fundamental structure of the SAFE framework, how you scale from one agile team to 10 teams, 20 teams, 100 teams, all working together. When you do that, there is a level of complexity that gets added for multiple teams to work together, plan together, identify and manage the dependencies, and develop a set of objectives that everybody can align to. My name is Valerio. I am a SAFE trainer. I have helped many companies, teams, and organizations learn, adopt, implement SAFE practices. In this training program, I will teach you the key fundamental elements of SAFE. I will explain how to bring it to life and apply it to real life scenario. And also we share some typical traps that you may want to avoid when implementing SAFE. Join me in this training program. You will walk away with a lot of knowledge about what SAFE really is, the core fundamental elements of SAFE, and how to scale from one team to 10 to 20 to 100 different teams.